All right, this is a little bit of a tricky question. It requires us to remember how a spring moves, or how we get these sinusoidal curves. So it says a block is attached to a spring and oscillates in harmonic motion along the x-axis. So along the x-axis, it's going to oscillate. The limits of motion are plus 10 centimeters and minus 10 centimeters. Oh no, it's not plus and minus 10 centimeters. I got to read the question better. It says that we go from 10 centimeters, a positive 10 centimeters, to actually 50 centimeters. So that means my axis of my actual 0 point should be down here. I'm going to say it's centered around here. And this point right here, this line that I drew, these lines, that's a 10 line, that's a 50 line, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yeah, that makes sense. So I'm going to say it's going around the 30 centimeter line, going up and down 20 centimeters to each way. So it's going to be oscillating like this, where this is 0 centimeters. So my amplitude, which is defined as how high or how low it goes, is the distance from this line to that line. So I know that it's 20 centimeters is my amplitude. A lot of people mistake that they go from peak to peak or from peak to trough. It actually is from the 0 point to the peak, or the 0 point to the trough. So 20 centimeters. I go from 30 to 50 or from 30 to 10. It's both 20 centimeters. So I can eliminate out 3 of my answers because they're not right. And it also gives me some more information. It says that it goes from one of these extremes to the other in 0.25 seconds. So that means it goes from one peak to the other peak in 0.25 seconds, which means that it has a period, one full cycle, which would be from one peak to another peak. I'll use a different color for this, but I know if I go to one peak to another peak, that this is a period. I don't go from peak to trough. I go from peak to peak, or trough to trough. So my period is actually twice as long as what they gave me. So it's 0.5 seconds. And I know that the frequency is equal to 1 over the period, which is equal to 1 over 0.5 inverse seconds, which is equal to 2 hertz. So I get answer choice E, maybe different for you, but answer choice E for me is the value that I get for this. It oscillates 20 centimeters. It goes 20 centimeters up, 20 centimeters back, 20 centimeters down, 20 centimeters back, and it goes up, down, up, or from peak to peak in 0.5 seconds, or it does this full cycle twice in 1 second. Definition of hertz is how many cycles per second.